Good afternoon, everybody. This is Gene from CJJ IT Solutions, and we're going to do a little content management today with Joomla. A couple weeks back, we did a brief overview of Joomla, and again, we're running this locally. Nice thing about it is you can install XAMPP or WAMP. You can run this right off your PC, kind of move around and do some different things and get a feel for it. Okay, so if we look over here, I'm in the back end. And my other tab here, we're running this in Firefox. We can see what the front end looks like. This is actually Joomla right out the box, and again, I have not included the sample data. No sample data here, so you have a nice clean blank slate. Okay, so if we go back over here to the extensions in the back end, we're going to hit the template again, the template manager, and just so you see the default atomic, we will go back, hit refresh, and boom, that is one of the templates that you get with Joomla. We're gonna switch it up again really quickly and hit refresh, and we have one of the other templates. Again, no sample data, and let's toy around with this one again here. So we're right back where we started. So if you look, I click on home, and this is our home screen, our featured article. This is what the user would see right when they hit that Joomla page. So let's add a little bit of content just to see where things go when we put them in here. So we have our menus here, we have our articles and our categories. Okay, so what does this all mean? First off, let's categorize something. Let's say that we're going to write a quick article about going to the beach. We want to put a menu on there on our page. So I'm going to hit the category manager. Okay, we're going to hit new, and the category, let's say it's going to be days at the beach. Okay, and a brief description here. This category will deal with my summer on the beach. Something very simple. And let's save and close that. Okay, so now we have a category here. We can have 6, 7, 8 articles, and we can assign those articles to that category, so it serves as a good management tool. Okay, so let me go here. I'm going to make 2 quick articles. Okay, we're going to go over to content in the menu bar up top, and we're going to select add new article. Okay, so let's see, my first day on the beach will be the title of this article, and now we can see we have our category here, days at the beach. Now nothing else is going to show up but days at the beach, but if you had multiple categories, this would be the chance that you can select where what category that article would be assigned to. Okay, so okay, we're going to write a actual article for the title here. Let's scroll down, and we're going to say my first day at the beach was a blast. All right, and we are going to save and close that, and we have our first article here. So let's go ahead and add another quick one. Okay, let's call this day 2 at the beach. Obviously the category is going to be days at the beach. I sat out in the sun on day 2 and relaxed. Okay, save and close, pretty simple. Okay, now go back to our front end. We refresh and nothing has happened. So we have to assign this category to a menu. Okay, so let's go to our menu manager here. We have our main menu, and we can see the header here for the main menu. Now if we click on the main menu, we should see that we have the home there. Okay, so let's go back here, let's click on main menu, and you see you have home, and anything assigned, any articles that would happen to be assigned to that would show up on our home screen. So we want to set up a new option here under our menu. So let's hit new, and we're gonna say days at the beach. Okay, so let's say single article. Okay, now let's say we want to just pick that one article. Really quickly, let me show everybody what I did. If we go to select and change on the right side for required settings, okay, right, going to select my first day on the beach. Okay, and let's save and close. Okay, So now I have my main menu here, and I have home and days at the beach. So if we go back here, let's refresh, and we have, boom, days at the beach, and I did assign my article to that category. Okay, now let's remember that we did make 2 articles here. Okay, so if we go back into Joomla, let's go to days at the beach. Say we have 6, 7 articles. We want to maybe show a bunch of them all at once. Let's do a category list. See what this looks like. Let's go ahead and save and close. Go back, days at the beach. Let's refresh again. And boom, we have our 2 articles. We have our hits, our author, which happens to be me, a super user. So we have any of our articles here. Day 2 at the beach. Sat out in the sun on day 2 and relaxed. And my first day on the beach, which happened to be our first article. So we have our menu here, home, and days at the beach. So essentially these would be links up on the left side of the screen that we can run down the side of this page. Okay, so that's it for today, and hope that helped everybody out there. Again, this is Gene from CJJ IT Solutions. Thanks for the support. Keep the emails coming, and we will see you soon. Take care.